Are you interested in Chinese but worried that it's difficult to learn? Let me tell you, Chinese is not difficult to learn at all. Let me illustrate from several aspects for you. Firstly, in terms of the grammar, unlike English and Japanese, Chinese words do not need to be conjugated. For example, when we want to say he is, she was, you are, I am, all the B words in Chinese are just one word, 是. Moreover, the word order in Chinese is very similar to English. For example, when we say, I want to eat noodles, in Chinese, it's 我想吃面. The word order is exactly the same. And as long as we grasp the basic vocabularies, we can form our own complete sentences. And are you worried about learning Chinese Pinyin? Have you heard the stories of people who want to learn Chinese but being scared off by the 4 tones of ma, 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 ma? Today, I will share with you a new story about going to the dentist to help you understand the variation of the 4 tones. One day, I went to see the dentist, and the doctor asked me to open my mouth wide. It's flat, like an open mouth sound. After examining my teeth, the doctor said, I have a lot of cavities. And I said, the second tone, rising up like, what? Surprising sound. Then the doctor said, it is best to pull out the tooth today. The third tone, falling down and then rising up, like, well. A thinking sound. I was considering whether to do it or not. Finally, the doctor said the treatment cost is $5,000. I said, the 4 tones, falling down sharply, like no, an angry sound. In summary, open mouth sound. What? Surprising sound. Well, thinking sound. No, angry sound. It's easy to remember, right? And with the proper practice, I think you can master the pronunciation of Pinyin. As for learning Chinese characters, the basic characters can be mastered through the imageries. Different students can adjust the weight of listening, speaking, reading, and writing according to their learning goals and needs. If your main goal is to have the basic daily conversation in Chinese, I think you can achieve this through Pinyin learning and speaking practice. For example, I have met many people from the European countries and America in Japan who didn't know many kanji, but by mastering the pronunciation of Japanese kana, they could speak fluent Japanese. Moreover, in daily life, there are far more situations where typing is required than the handwriting. As long as you can master Pinyin, you can type out all the Chinese characters you need. The Chinese Voyage curriculum is structured around daily scenarios written in dialogue forms. For example, when we learn the first lesson to order some food, we will learn firstly the corresponding basic vocabulary and then run the scenario dialogue, and then I will talk you through the sentences structure so that everyone can use the words to try to make their own sentences. And in the introductory stage, within the first book, A Beginner's Odyssey, I systematically incorporate Pinyin learning into each lesson's teaching. This ensures that the students can step by step to master the Pinyins while consolidating Chinese pronunciation through the engaging thematic exercises. For each lesson, I have designed the join the words into sentences, listening and speaking practice material for students to review and consolidate after the class. I have also designed face task challenges, where you can log in the online classroom interactive wall, answer the questions I leave for the students in Chinese, and communicate with the Chinese learners from all over the world. Are you ready to start the Chinese voyage with me and embrace the new challenge? Come and choose the learning path you like. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and see you!